Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Paddy McCarry and welcome to this next episode of Colorcon Technical Insights. Today we're going to do something a bit different and we're going to talk about the technical and educational services that Colorcon have to offer to aid you with your product development challenges. So here we are in our technical labs based in Dartford, UK. In these labs, we offer a range of technical services that can aid you develop fit-for-purpose products. Such services include development of small-scale formulations for new chemical entities, all the way through to manufacturing troubleshooting. We're also very well known for our ability to colour match, where we can match the colours of our coating materials such as OpenDry to something that is representative of the company and brand. When developing a tablet for a new chemical entity, it is essential to understand how the material behaves mechanically, particularly if you're working at a high drug load. And to help you understand this, Colorcon can subject your material to compaction analysis using our Gamelin press. This will allow us to understand the material's suitability for the compaction process and also allow us to ensure we choose the right bulk of materials to ensure a robust tablet is manufactured. We can also assess the flowability of your active materials and your powder blends using standard tap bulk density measurements and also by our granule drum. We also offer endpoint determination for wet granulation processes, encapsulation feasibility studies and coating trials. Our technical experts can also provide in-person, on-site formulation guidance and manufacturing troubleshooting. As well as all this, we also have our online formulation tools such as our HyperStart C2C service that can aid you in your formulation design. Popular events that Colorcon has to offer are our formulation and coating schools, as well as technical programs. These events are well suited to both new and experienced scientists and also people outside the formulation space, such as individuals working in quality assurance and analytical positions. Topics that we cover are introductions to formulation and coating, excipient selection, tablet manufacture, and formulation and coating troubleshooting. And these events aren't just pure theory. We also demonstrate these technologies in our labs where you get a chance to get hands-on with tableting, granulation and coating technologies. These services aren't just available here in the UK, but globally. Depending on your global location, the capabilities of our various Colorcon sites do vary, where here in Dartford we can handle up to Band 4 APIs. If you'd like to know more about what your local Colorcon site can handle, get in touch. Well, that's all from me today. I hope you found this useful and stay tuned for the next episode.